time to build wealth, people, through real estate. I'm Voltaire Lepe, CEO of Lepe Tendwell Properties, top 1% realtor in the county of San Diego. And today, I wanted to invite you to our first time home buyer seminar. It's gonna be April 27th. It's on a Saturday that we guys could, roll out of bed, come over here, get your education, and go get some lunch. The cool thing about these workshops is it's gonna teach you from A to Z what it takes, how to become a first-time buyer. And then there's some people in the crowd that ask about second-time buying, right? Investment properties, units, and things of that nature. So we cover it all from the financing to different down payment assistance programs to how to get your credit score up and how to find the perfect property and everything in between. So I highly urge you to either sign up or send this link to somebody else who can RSVP for this class that would find it beneficial. It's completely free, obligates you to nothing. Please sign up, and if you want a free list of properties that match your home buying criteria from all real estate companies, please DM us and then we'll go ahead and we'll set you up with a free list of homes that match your home buying criteria. See you later.